Hey guys, it's Ming from Volition Properties. I just wanted to take you through a quick walkthrough of this place, just to show you what some of the reasons are that we went to purchase this particular house. It's not a straight investment property, but a property which is set up really well to help subsidize kind of your cost of living, or maybe if it's like a first rental property, you're trying to get in, build up some equity. A place like this is perfect. So first and foremost, location. We're in East York, about 10 minutes away from the subway, in the Blake Jones neighborhood. So good rents out here, good tenant profiles, and great access to public transit. So that's kind of number one. The property itself. So this is a townhouse we've got here. And we went for this place because it's already subdivided, right? We've got a basement unit with its own entrance here, and we've got a unit upstairs with its own entrance here. So you can see, you can come through this door, and it goes into your common living space already, and we've got a full basement here. And then we've got a 3-bedroom unit upstairs. Second thing I want to really point out in this property is ceiling heights. So it might be a little bit difficult to tell, but if you look at myself here, we've got really good ceiling heights here. And this is definitely one of the things we really care about when we're looking at these kind of properties, because we don't want to have to deal with underpinning. So again, as you can see here, the kitchen area, so this kind of got really good ceiling heights up here, right? Far, far away from that ceiling. So it feels, not at all like a basement unit, but the kitchen itself does need a lot of renovation, right? We're gonna put in a whole new kitchen here. So kind of an L shape, take advantage of the space, and make sure we've got an independent washer and dryer as well for this unit. The flooring we're going to replace as well, put in something a little more modern, and go with maybe like a vinyl plank type product with a little bit of flexibility to make up for kind of there's a little bit of unevenness in the floor right now. So we're back outside. The other thing that we attracted us to this place is it needs a little bit of renovation, right? It's not a turnkey property, so we're not having to pay turnkey prices, when we're buying this property. So our plans are kind of to paint out the vinyl up here, kind of give it a more modern color, change the railings. So we're going to change these to glass railings, and either paint this out or remove this patio area to really kind of update the look. Some small, renovations, not super expensive, but it looks dated enough to turn away a lot of the people. And when we were competing for offers on this property, there's only about 3 or 4 competing offers. So it was because it doesn't show super well, right? It's not turnkey, but we're able to come in and do the construction to make this place work. So this is the rear of the property, and you can see it's a little bit, I'd say, underwhelming, and that's actually a great thing. Because we're going to come out here and give it our own touch. So the plan is for us to take that window you see on the second floor, open it up so it's a full sliding patio, and build a deck out here. Especially in kind of the post-COVID world, making sure that we have some good outdoor space is really, really key to make sure we're attracting tenants who will care about the property. So make sure that we're able to service them with some nice outdoor space. On the ground level unit, this whole area we're going to landscape, make sure it's fenced off and completely separate.